Hi, welcome back to class, and we are on Module 8, so week 8 of the class, and this is our final week, so this is our wrap-up. So for the final module of the class, we are going to have a few discussions and 3 Dropbox assignments. So the good news for you is, no more textbook, and you're almost done, so thank you for all of your hard work. This week we're going to play a simulation and also look at some applied sociology and see about real problem solving. So you're going to discuss your papers and also complete a self-evaluation of your goals for this class. So let's go through this week's material. Of course, you're going to respond to your classmates' posts on Module 7. 3 responses on 3 different days. And again, a response to response is fine. So if someone responds to your post and you respond back to them, that's another response, so that's great. I want you to start reading each other's papers. Those all should be uploaded by the time this module starts. So you should read those, and I want you to post what you learned from the paper. So one thing that you picked up, and I always tell people this is not an area to critique each other or to say you don't agree. I want you just to read the papers, find something that you learn from it, and discuss that. And you're going to do that for each paper that's uploaded. You're going to post an initial post to the final discussion thread and start your response post to that this week too. So as soon as you post your discussion thread, as long as somebody has been there before you, you can go ahead and respond to them right away. Then there's a fiscal ship simulation. This just got updated. This was designed before the last presidential election, but it's great. It gives you an opportunity to look at fiscal and social policy and see how they come together and see how difficult the idea of policy making is. And then there's a video and short reading from the grand challenges of social work. So you're going to have a Dropbox assignment from that. And a self-evaluation complete, a final Dropbox assignment. So you're going to evaluate how you did with your final goals in the class. So if you, so as I go through this, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. We have the Module 7 discussion forum. So you're going to, of course, do your normal responses here. That's just one thread. Remember, 3 different days, 3 responses. We have our papers here. As you upload your paper, you're able to read other people's. So go ahead and read what's there. And again, post, so I know you read it, post one thing you learned from the paper. And again, keep this upbeat. It's really hard to put yourself out there and write about policy. So go ahead and do that. And this is not a place for you to try to tear each other down. So there hasn't been that going on in this class. So I expect that to continue throughout this final week as well. Then we have a final discussion, and you're going to post your main takeaway from this class or discuss a social policy topic that you felt was the most interesting to explore. And then we have fiscal ship. So these are 2 videos. One is explaining what fiscal ship is, and the other one tells you how to play it. And I'll just go through here and show you how this looks. So this is a simulation they came up with. The Brookings Institute came up with this last election. And you're just going to go to a new game, and you can skip all this. And you're basically going to go ahead and choose goals you have. I don't want you to choose, Donald Trump's goals, or they have Mitt Romney's on here. So you're going to choose your own. And then as you go through this, let's say if you just pick a couple here, and so Joe Biden or Donald Trump's goals are on here, but don't use that. Just go ahead and pick whatever you want, and then you get started. And the whole idea of this is you go through these policies, and because they're all broken down into subgroups. So you can, click on anything, and you could look at. Let's see here. You can look at different policies that are here and see how they have an effect on our national debt. Your whole goal is to keep these in mind while bringing this to your target. And this is using real data. So this is using information from the CBO to come up with these numbers. So these numbers aren't arbitrary. These are real data that was compiled to develop that. So you're going to play that, and then there is a missing Dropbox. So I will put the Dropbox. So this. I'll have a Dropbox set up for this, where you're going to put your results from fiscal ship. That'll be right here. So I'll put that in, and just what you learn from this game. It should be interesting, and you can play it from either a conservative or a liberal lens. It's not a trick, So it's you can learn a lot from this, actually, about how policies do have costs and how those affect things. Then we have the grand challenges of social work. A big thing we do in sociology is we try to solve problems. That's the idea of this class, is to deal with issues as they come up. So the grand challenges of social work, there's a video that I want you to watch. So you'll watch this video, and then there is a website that you'll click on. See how this works. My system looks different than yours does, but as you get here, you can go to the menu, look at the challenges. There's 12 of them. My computer goes really slow when I am doing D2L. I'm doing screencast. Oh, here we go. So we have the 12 challenges, and you are going to find one of these and click on it, and let's just say we go to end homelessness. There's a brief description, there's a website, and you can usually find a paper. They're all slightly different, but as you click on this information, we have a paper that you could read about ending homelessness. So this is dealing with social problems from a social worker's lens. And you are going to do a little bit of reading there, and you're going to write a half-page paper at a minimum discussing one or two main points you took away from this site. This should not take you a very long time. There's a lot of information here. And the idea with this is I want this to be a tool that you can use to take my social policy class into the real world or into your next few classes or whatever you're dealing with, and have something else to take away here. I think it's nice when classes can blend together and you can take information from one and use it for another. I think this is very useful information for human service students. And lastly, we have your final assignment. And all you're going to do is revisit your goals from the first Dropbox assignment of the semester and write a 1 to 2 page reflection discussing if you met these goals. And try to think of why or why not you may have reached them. So in other words, what worked for you, or maybe what didn't work for you, and it's just for you to self-evaluate with. So that's really about it for the week. I will post a final video just probably on Wednesday, and I will send emails out to people who are missing things this week, because I want people who are pretty close to being caught up but aren't quite to actually get caught up here. So make sure you get all this stuff done and get in here. This should not be too much work for you. If you have any questions, make sure you send me an email. Again, I'd love to chat with anybody who has a question. And Thank you so much. Have a great week.